Hello and welcome to djbowtique. In this tutorial, we will be creating a beautiful hairband using organza ribbon. This organza ribbon is size 5 cm wide and 30 cm long, and we will use 2 pieces of that. We will fold and mark our middle point. And we're gonna use double-sided tape here. Now pinch the ribbon together at the center to form the bow. We are going to use a cotton thread to secure the shape. We will wrap it around in the middle of the bow. A piece of ribbon for our centerpiece. We will now attach the hair clip. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!